Hey Nissan guys, here's a quick overview of an Xterra Stage 1 and a Frontier Stage 2. And there's a couple differences here, so we'll go through this because we often get asked what's the difference between Stage 1 and Stage 2. So we start with the basics. These are both black headlights and they're both 100% plug and play. You're going to get this 9007 plug coming out of the back of the headlight, so that will be exactly what you need for the low beam and the high beam. So Stage 1, we'll zoom over here. This is an all-black setup with a black shroud, simple, no frills, all performance. So the bi-LED projector in this one is the same as the bi-LED projector in the Stage 2, the Stage 3, Stage 4 in some cases. So performance, we never compromise. You're going to get that great low beam, that wonderful high beam. It's got a crisp cutoff, safe output. You're going to be able to see far and wide without blinding oncoming traffic. Now, if you look over, we kind of compare these two. If I zoom out, the differences are a little bit more obvious. A different shroud with Stage 2, so it's a larger shroud. So there's a smaller shroud here. They're both black. A larger shroud here. I'm going to turn these off so you can kind of get an idea. With the Stage 2, you also get the angel eyes, which I just had on, and the devil eyes. So this is the monster shroud in here. And then over here is the Stage 1 shroud. That's the smaller mini Gatling shroud. Now, with the Stage 2, you get the switchback angel eyes. So that has two sets of rings, one in the front, that's the first circle, and then a second set of rings in the back. That's the second circle, the larger one that's kind of staggered. Switchback means these can switch back and forth from white to amber. So you can use them as turn signals. If you were to operate your turn signal, it'd be blink, 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 and then automatically switch back to white. Or you can operate them as amber daytime running lights. So you could have white daytime running lights or amber daytime running lights. You can switch back and forth from each one. You could also have, say, the rear angel eye in amber and the front angel eye in white if you wanted, or the opposite could be true. And then you can kind of have fun with the color combinations there. The last piece, if I turn these off, is a little signature red devil eye that comes with the Stage 2 set. It's just a small LED that we mount inside the projector. This is not the driving beam, guys. Just gives you a little red glow. You can see down here, it kind of makes a flame almost on the ground. And that's just going to give you a cool effect. So that's what it looks like when the angel eyes are off. And here's what it looks like when the angel eyes are on. It's just a nice red glow, just for pictures, just for show, just something to kind of spruce it up a little bit and make it different. So of course, all of these are available with custom touches as well. If you want us to color match it to your vehicle, we can do that. If you want to change up the options here, maybe a different color devil eye or different color angel eyes, we can do that as well. There is a Stage 3, which looks very similar to the Stage 2, but the switchback angel eyes are replaced by color changing angel eyes, and the red devil eye is replaced by a color changing devil eye. So other than that, projector is the same, performance is the same, and these can come in chrome as well. So hope that helps. The point here is we make all these by hand. They're all custom built. So if you want something different, or slight variation, or you want to make them more custom designed to fit your ride, just give us a call, 716-662-3479. We'll work directly with you to get you exactly what you need so your ride is as unique as you are, and you don't have to settle for someone else's design or something off the shelf from overseas. So you're getting high quality parts here, made by hand from people who love Nissans, who have owned a handful of Xterras. We've got a Frontier here in the shop owned by one of our workers, and we're just here to be part of the community and to help you guys create better headlights that work well and that look great while doing it. That sounds like something you're interested in? Head over to HIDprojectors.com and let's help you build something cool for your ride. Thanks for watching.